Is this your late rebellious stage? You think I can't protect you? Is that why you want me to call you that? I'll take care of you no matter what, darling. Is this your late rebellious stage? It's a little weird to call you darling, but I've done weird things for you before. One more won't hurt, darling.